There's a shift happening right now in creative work that most people are sleeping on. It's not about AI taking your job. It's about AI removing every part of your job that used to eat your time and kill your momentum. The best creative teams in the world, the ones building games, making cinematic visuals, producing content at scale, they've already figured this out. And in the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly which AI tools are doing it and how they fit together.
Curious how AI can actually simplify your daily work? You're in the right place. Here we break down powerful AI tools into simple, practical steps so you can save time, boost productivity, and create smarter without stress.
A full creative team used to mean a writer, a concept artist, a 3D modeler, an animator, a video editor, and a sound designer. 6 people, 6 salaries, 6 calendars to coordinate. Today, I'm going to walk you through the AI stack that's collapsing that entire pipeline, not to a worse version of the same thing, but to something genuinely faster and in some cases better. We're going to cover AI video, AI image generation, AI for coding, and then the one nobody is really talking about yet, AI for 3D workflows, because that last one is where things get really interesting. Let's go.
Let's start with the most interesting part, AI 3D. Everyone's still using broken AI workflows. This is the new Customuse nodes editor, and honestly, it feels like the first AI pipeline actually built for game designer. You can generate characters from text, branch different AI models at once, test variations instantly, and rerun entire creative pipelines in seconds. Need edits? Change armor, masks, styles, poses, then instantly optimize everything for 3D. And this is the crazy part. It automatically extracts every asset from the character, helmets, armor, weapons, then turns them into textured 3D meshes automatically. No Blender Frankenstein setups. No messy, comfy UI graphs. Just one clean pipeline. This isn't just another AI tool. It's a full creative system for image, video, and 3D workflows. Try Customuse Nodes Editor and use code ZAFFAI for 1,000 credits. The next part is AI video generation. A year ago, generating a usable video clip from a text prompt was a party trick. The outputs were blurry, the motion was wrong, and anything longer than 3 seconds looked like a fever dream. That's not the world we're in anymore. Tools like Runway, Kling, and Cdance are now producing clips that are genuinely usable in production. Cinematic camera moves, consistent lighting, controllable motion. The gap between AI-generated and shot on camera is closing faster than the industry expected. What this means for a creative team is real. B-roll that used to take a shoot day now takes 20 minutes. Product visualization that needed a motion studio now needs a good prompt and the right model. The video production role isn't disappearing, but what one person can produce in a day has multiplied dramatically. One layer deeper, AI image generation. This one hits concept artists and visual designers hardest, not because it replaces the skill, but because it changes the speed of the ideation phase completely. Think about what concept art actually is in a production pipeline. It's exploration. It's showing a client 10 different directions before picking one. It's answering the question, what should this look like? That exploration phase, which used to take days and cost real money, now takes hours. Models like Flux, GPT Image 2, and the Nano banana family from Google have gotten good enough that the output isn't a rough sketch. It's a polished visual direction you can take straight into a client presentation. The concept artist who knows how to use these tools isn't getting replaced. They're doing in one day what used to take a week and delivering more options, not fewer. And it's not just visual work being compressed. On the development side, AI coding tools have quietly become the most impactful productivity multiplier for indie game studios and solo developers. If you're building in Unity or Unreal, the gap between I have an idea and I have a working prototype has never been smaller. Game logic, UI systems, procedural generation, tasks that used to require a dedicated engineer now get scaffolded in minutes. The indie developer who knows how to work with AI assistants is operating with the leverage of a small team. That's everything I wanted to share today. Hopefully this video helped you decide whether this tool is worth trying for your own workflow. If it did, I'd really appreciate a like and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.